Hello everyone, I am Assemblymember Mike Fong, and I have the honor of representing the 49th District, which includes the beautiful city of San Marino. Today, I want to share why San Marino schools are so important to me and our community. San Marino boasts a reputation for excellence in education, student achievement, and community involvement. It's not just about the academics, it's about the collective effort to foster an environment where students can thrive and where family, educators, and the community come together. San Marino schools have long been known for their exceptional educational programs and dedicated teachers. Every year, I host an Outstanding Educator Awards, and each year, we have had at least one teacher from San Marino recognized. This award highlights the dedication of our teachers who go above and beyond to inspire and nurture our children. Their hard work is central to what makes our schools special. Beyond academics, San Marino schools excel in extracurricular activities that further enrich our students' experiences. The San Marino speech and debate team has not only competed vigorously, but has also brought home numerous awards from national and state tournaments, showcasing their exceptional skills and dedication. Our sports teams have also demonstrated remarkable talent and teamwork. These achievements not only highlight the strength of our sports programs, but also foster a spirit of camaraderie and resilience among our students. I was particularly excited to attend the launch of the Titan Medical Arts Academy last year. This innovative program offers students hands-on learning and research opportunities in the medical field thanks to a fantastic partnership with Pasadena City College. As the chair of the Assembly Committee on Higher Education, I have witnessed the tremendous value of such collaborations. The Titan Medical Arts Academy stands as a prime example of this, providing our students with practical, career-oriented opportunities that prepare them for success. San Marino schools exemplify what a committed community can achieve. Thank you all for your continued support and dedication. Your efforts ensure that San Marino schools remain a beacon of excellence and a cornerstone of our community. Together, we are shaping the future and building a brighter tomorrow for our students. Thank you so much.